Welcome back to Draw Color. In this video we are going to see how to draw a dog and some interesting facts about dogs. There are over 340 different dog breeds worldwide, each with its own unique characteristics and appearance. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell. Dogs communicate not only through barking but also by using body language. They wag their tails when happy and may put their ears back when scared. Dogs are smart and can learn a variety of tricks and commands. Some can even learn hundreds of words and phrases. Dogs are known for their loyalty. They often form strong bonds with their human family members and can be very protective. Many dogs are excellent swimmers. Breeds like Labradors and Retrievers love playing in the water. Puppies grow rapidly in their first year of life. They can double their weight in just a few weeks. Dogs have various jobs and roles. Some are working dogs, like guide dogs for the visually impaired, while others are therapy dogs, providing comfort and companionship. Dogs come in many different coat colors, including black, white, brown, and even unusual colors like blue and merle. Most dogs love to play, whether it's fetch, tug of war, or simply running around the yard. Just like humans have unique fingerprints, each dog's nose print is different and can be used for identification. Dogs can detect changes in the weather, sense earthquakes before they happen, and even detect certain medical conditions in humans. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Draw Color for more videos like this. Bye.